Hey guys, this is Hippo. I'm going to show y'all how to set up your auto clicker since some of y'all are asking. Okay, so check it out. Go to the App Store and, just type auto clicker. You have a bunch of choices. The one the guy used in the video, right here in the middle with the blue arrow pointing at the target. So this one. Install that and go ahead and run it. And eventually go through its little tutorial, but this is the home screen. So you want to hit start services and you have this little taskbar now. So cool. So what we're going to do now is go to the game. And what you want to do, since we're doing this in advanced Mythril, we'll go there. And this is where it all starts. So once you hit the record button, everything you click on the screen, it will record. So I'm going to record, set it up, and then I'm going to let it run. And then what happens in that time is I would normally let it run for about 18 minutes and then stop it. But for the purposes of this, I'm only going to run it for like a minute and then we'll come back and finish it. So, okay, so here you are, you have your taskbar from Auto Clicker and this is your screen. So go ahead, hit record. And now it is recording everything you press. So go about your business as normal. Try to click, I would say, in the middle of these buttons just in case, I don't know, it gets a little, it'll click exactly in the same spot. So you want to just make sure it's accurate. Okay, cool. We just clicked everything. All of my dudes are in the mine. So this is where you would wait. And as you can see, it shows you how long your troops have actually been in the mine. Now this is where, how long do you want to set it? Anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes. As Ashley pointed out, after 20 minutes, you can be attacked, but you're safe up until then. And like I said, I set mine for 18 minutes. So it's up to you. Yeah, I mean, shit, you could do it for 5, but the longer the better because you only get 200 attacks a day. You can see kind of right next to my little taskbar, you get 200. So every time this runs, it'll use 5. So if you set it to 15 minutes, every 15 minutes it'll run. That means you'll get 20 attacks per hour, meaning you only get 10 hours of this. So keep that in mind because once you hit 200 attacks, I'm not going to be able to go back to normal and put my troops in there. So that's just something you should be aware of. I did my best to explain it in typing, although I hate typing. This is much easier. Okay, so anyways, let's finish this so I can let y'all go. So at this point, ideally, we would have ran it for 18 minutes. You have to sit here without clicking. Okay, so now the next steps would be removing your troops. And it is recording my clicks. All the troops are done. That's it. We are done, guys. Like, you hit the red stop button, name it, whatever you want to name it, and you want to set this to infinite loop, and there it is. Cool, right? So I'm gonna now, oops. So I'm just gonna show you how it works. This is all me clicking. Okay, so now I had saved that file. I want to hit play. Now, I have 2 of them. I have the one I set up called Mythril, and then I have this test one I'm showing you, but you can see. Or, I mean, you can make as many of these as you want. But we're going to run the test I just did. So I'm going to hit play. And now, do it, dude. Okay, here we go. I'm going to hit replay. Now this, I am not clicking right now. Ready? Isn't that cool? I am not doing this. It's all the program. So you just obviously just run this program on this screen, and it'll click in those spots you chose it to. And look, I'm done. It just did that. Now it's gonna run the remaining 1.5 minutes. If y'all, I'll sit here and let it go so y'all can watch it. And what it should do is click in the same spots that I did. It'll remove those troops, and then it'll start over. So go ahead and let's wait, another minute, and you can at least watch it in action. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm actually kind of excited because this thing actually seems pretty powerful. I think it can actually do a lot more than this menial, simple task. But I'll let y'all know in the future. And plus, I've never recorded my phone with the audio like this, so hopefully this turns out okay. Anyways, yeah, good deal. Okay, so we're coming up on, it's about to end its cycle. Now, again, your cycle would have been 15 to 20 minutes, right? But you have to let it go that long without clicking, or otherwise it's going to do those clicks. Mine is just short right now to show you. But anyways, here it comes. I am not doing this. And then it's going to start over in 1 second. All right, now it's running again. This is, again, not me. It's all in the program. So anyways, there you go, guys. I thank you, Ashley, for showing this to us because it's, well, it's really cool. And, it'll help us get more mithril and grow. So anyways, thanks, guys. And I will talk to y'all later.